everybody, welcome back. So I don't have any eye makeup on because I am going to try a Anastasia palette for the first time today. I bought this a little while ago. This is the Riviera palette. I don't have any other palettes from her. I bought it because I had a whole bunch of Ulta points and I was like, I might as well just buy it because there's some pretty gorgeous shades in here. And this palette is gorgeous. So there is a pretty decent brush in here and I think I might try this out today for my fun purposes, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't think I'm gonna use this because a lot of the tutorials that I've seen have used this shade, and I think I'm gonna stick with the purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids really quick with my NYX eyeshadow base, and we are gonna go from there. This is just the skin tone one. Use it all the time. It's a great thing for me. So I'm going to try and use this whole palette without bringing any other things in, because I really want to see the whole thing of this palette. And I have the whole rest of my face done, even my lips. Just thought for time purposes, I just wanted to try this palette out really. And I figured if I could finish everything else, that would make it easier. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two shades right here, Estate and Sales, and go and mix them together and set my brow with that. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna take Monte Carlo right here, which is a car, and see, okay, I'm gonna just point this out just real quick. See how it's all matte on the bottom and then shimmers on the top? I love that. Good job, Anastasia. I'm just gonna give you kudos right now. Actually, I'm a liar. I'm gonna go straight in with the Canis color, purple, and just go right in with that guy. And that pink shade is so tempting, but everyone's using it, so go ahead and take this shade and just work with it slowly. Just building it up super slow, and I'm gonna go on this side now and build that up slow. Like I said, I already bringing this as far in as I can just by the blend. I'm not taking any more extra color towards the inside of my eye. I'm just putting the color down on the outer corner and then pulling it through. This is actually a really good purple. I mean, purples are hard to make. They're one of the hardest shades to make, if not the hardest. And alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of continuously working with this purple shade, and then I will move on, and you'll see that in just a second. Alright, so I'm done with that purple for now. I'm gonna go in with my brow color that I used and go back over that. I just mixed Sales and Estate Sales. Making my Estate Sale color and blending that through, just because I really don't like anything to go very high on my brow, which is weird because I have very hooded eyes and it would actually make stuff look pretty cool, but I just can't go there right now. Alright, so the next shade I'm going to go in is Polymer, I believe is what it's called, right there, and I'm going to build that up, or just see how it looks really. This is my first impression of this, so I could really make this bad. Don't take my word for this, because this really is my first impression of Anastasia products. So if I say something that you don't like, don't come for me. Alright, just taking this Polymer shade. Polymer? Is it Polymer or Palmer? Alright, so I'm just continuously building that Polymer shade up because I kind of like how it's turning out. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in just a little bit more. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the white shade Sails. I'm gonna take white. No, right here. The white shade and put this on the inner corner. That is a really good white. Look at that. That's a really good white. It's a white white. Okay, so I have that down. I'm going to dust my brush off the best that I can and just go around this and blend it through. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to take this highlighter from Smashbox and just take this and put that over the white that we put down. Just add some something. So that will help it stand out a little bit more. Now I'm going to take my brush in here and then I'm going to take this and just pat where the white and the pink meet and just pat those together. Okay. Now I'm going to take a kind of a fluffier blending brush and take a little bit of that highlighter and place a little bit on the brow and pull it upwards. Right. Now I'm going to I don't know what that means. Go ahead and conceal. So that is that palette. I'm loving it. Go ahead and conceal with my brush and then we'll go ahead and line and apply some mascara and then we can do some final thoughts. And clean it up. This is just CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. This is the only thing that I've tried from them since they went cruelty-free. It's just something I couldn't go right out and get because I was like, oh, you're cruelty-free now, but what about the products that you've already... Those ones are tainted. So I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye with my Celebration Foundation from It Cosmetics. And just set this and then I'll apply some liner and mascara and maybe something on the under eye area. So I'm going to head and line with my Wet n Wild Fine Point Liner. I normally love this eyeliner, but I think it's dead. I think it's dead. I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on Tarte's Camera Lashes. So before I move on and be completely finished, I'm going to go ahead and do something on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this color called Coastline and maybe just like blend that through and see what we get. Just to be a little bit ambitious. And then we can put some mascara there. Alright, so there's Coastline on our lower lash line. I take NYX's Worth the Hype mascara for my lower lash line. I just like the big fat brush so I can just go a little bit on. I wish I would have gotten more of her palettes, but this one's really fun and exciting and very versatile. I mean, you could definitely get an everyday look out of this, but why would you buy that if that's all you wanted? I mean, there's some purples and pinks and golds and amazingness in here. Okay, so overall first impressions with Riviera with Anastasia, very much love it. I need to get some more from her. This is a beautiful palette. They have some really gorgeous tones in here. Like, I just want to use this and put it all over my lid. It just looks so pretty. It's freaking gorgeous. So pretty. Alright, well, now I have to use this some more because I love it. So, thumbs up for Anastasia from me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was fun to film. I tried not to go pink, but it did end up going a little bit pink. but that's okay. I mean, obviously that top pink is really fun to have, and I'm excited to have it. But I do have other ones that I've tried before. So yeah, if you guys want to see anything more from me, go ahead and hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button if this video was fun for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!